this is Sonja from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Today I'm going to do Bible journaling bingo. For those who doesn't know and are new here, this is where I drew or pull 3 things from this little bag. It is art supplies which I'm going to put in my Bible. So, you can do whatever you want. This is a free printable available. I will link it down below. And then the printables divide into 2. One is the one I designed, and the other one is the illustrated 5 free bingo cards also. So I cut both of them up, put it in this bag, and then I've got a hashtag. If you want to play along, you're welcome to do that. So what I usually just do is, as I said, I just divide or just pull 3 things from here. So let's see what's the first thing. Okay, use twine. So somewhere in my Bible journaling, I need to use twine. The most obvious thing is maybe a journaling card, but I'll see what I'm going to do. Next one. Use pens or markers. So somewhere I need to pen, maybe scribbling or writing or any markers like that. So I'll use that also. Oops, 2. Okay, use gelatos. So yeah, I've got some new gelatos which Brenda gave me. I'm not the biggest, I like gelatos, but I don't use it, and I don't think I know exactly how to use it. So that is why Bible Journaling Bingo is so good, because it forced me to use gelatos. So, okay, so I need to use gelatos. I need to use pens or markers, and I need to use twine. So it's going to be interesting. So I'm going to have a think about it, and then we're going to put something together in my Bible journaling Bible, my interleaf Bible rather. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, change of plan. I'm going to use my illustrated Bible, which is the Psalms and Proverbs one. Sorry, I didn't show you the front cover. So I'm going to use this gelatos and the stencils, which I got from Brenda, a lady from America. She sent me a beautiful parcel all the way from America. If you'd like to see the video, I will link it up here at the top for you to watch. It's definitely a fun and worthwhile video to watch. Yeah, she was such a blessing to me. And yeah, it's just delightful to use it. It's so exciting every time. So this strawberry gelato, I must say, is absolutely one of my most favorite colors of all time. I just love the softness, gentleness, almost purpley pink. It is stunning. So I love how that turned out. So this stencil, obviously, I'm trying to keep it still because I want to have a fairly clear expression. I must say, I am loving the fact that I'm using this gelatos with this brush, almost as I'm doing it with the Stress Oxide ink. So maybe this is the way to use it. I think one of my friends, South African Bible journaling YouTuber, Rochelle, she loved gelatos and she always used it like that. So I was just thinking maybe I should just try it like that. And I really must say I'm very impressed. This is definitely the way to go for me, using gelatos. The fact that you smear it on the page and you try to do it with a wet wipe just doesn't work to me. The page always fray or always tear. Yeah, just doesn't work for me. This is a much better way. Love how that turned out. Love how the sort of the colors is going one into the other. The first one is the strawberry color. The yellow one was a limoncello, and then the green one is the kiwi. So this is obviously all sort of, I think it is of the gelatos, which is this pastel color. So they've got all these fruit colors. So I must say I love that. That is definitely my colors. So for the pen marks or pencil marks, markers, I'm going to use this markers. It's watercoloring markers. It didn't work very well on this paper. It frayed my paper quite a lot. But yeah, you can only see it if you're really close by. I don't know why it was. Maybe it's more meant for watercoloring paper, or it's meant for putting it on a clear sheet and water it and color it in like that. Maybe I should have used it like that. But I wanted to sort of be true to the prompt and make it use my markers. I don't often use these markers. As I said, I bought it quite a long time ago, but I've hardly ever used it. But yeah, maybe it will work better on watercoloring paper because at the moment, it's looked very fray. Yeah, and I heat set it also afterwards just to make sure it's 100% dry before I close my Bible. So I'm just going to color in this flowers. I'm using different type of pinks and greens and things like that. And before I continue, I'm journaling in Psalm 147 verse 10, and it's all about putting our hope in the Lord. And it's sort of praising God, telling how wonderful He is. And then it also says in verse 10, it says, His pleasure is not in the strength of a horse, nor his delight in the legs of the warrior. The Lord delights in those who fear him, who put their hope in his unfailing love. I just showed you a close-up how the picture of the roses look. As I said, it looked a little bit fray, but it's okay. I'm just going to continue with that. Now, this passage I read a while ago. Just a heads up, when you see this video, we will be in England. At last, we are visiting my husband's family, the in-laws, and we have planned this holiday about 3 years ago, just before COVID, or we would have gone just after, COVID just started, and we would have gone 2 weeks after COVID started. So needless to say, that never happened. And it took us now almost 2.5, 3 years to get to England. So God willing, we will be in England when you watch this video. So I want to say that I've read this passage a while ago, but it meant a lot to me. I'm reading through the Bible in a year, as you might know, and this is just a good reminder to put our hope in the Lord, and that He doesn't delight if we take our hope in strength from horses or from ourselves, but we put our hope in Him. And I just wanted to remember that. So these alpha stickers, almost puffy alpha stickers, is from Rosie Design, and they're an Australian company, which I love. It's absolutely one of my favorites because they are affordable. They're so much cheaper than anything, unfortunately, we get from America, although I love the things from America also. But yeah, this is just a nice company I like to support here. And they've, for a long time, we didn't got any new products from them. The shops was empty. And then the other day, a whole 3 or 4 lines of these new lines of this Rosie Design came in, like a bus. They came in freeze, as we always say. So yeah, I just had to pick up this puffy stickers because they're always so useful, and that is really something I use quite a lot. So obviously I put there at the top, hope in the Lord, and then I'm going to put just September 22 because I'm not 100% sure when you're going to see this video. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I hope you'll play along with Bible Journaling Bingo. If you do, please remember to tag me, use the hashtag. That will be lovely. You can use the same prompts. You can download the printable and you can do your own thing. Yeah, I'm just showing you that I've done the pens and I've written a little prayer there at the bottom of the card. I'm use a twine, and then I realized that twine looks a little bit too pathetic. I'm going to change it to a little bigger twine to make a little bit of more of an impact. And then obviously the background is the gelatos, which I love how it turned out, love how this page turned out. It's very unexpected. I didn't really know at all what I'm going to do. I just went with it. So yeah, remember to like this video, give it a like, and please comment if you like what you saw, if you want to leave me a message. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Talk to you soon.